Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to activate Nearby Share and Laptop. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To activate Nearby Share on laptop running Windows 10, you can follow these steps. The process is quite similar when you execute this on PC. First, turn on Bluetooth on internet on your PC to make sure your mobile device is connected to your PC. To begin, launch your favorite web browser and visit the website provided in the description below. Follow the instructions to download the necessary file. Complete the sign-in procedure and verify that both the sending and receiving devices share the same email account. Ensure that the settings are adjusted to allow everyone, and make certain that the Keep Everyone mode on all the time option is selected. For a step-by-step guide on transferring data from Android to a laptop using Nearby Share, you can refer to our channel's video titled How to Transfer Data from Android to Laptop by Nearby Share, or simply click on the link in the description below if available. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.